All right. Now calling case numbers 21S00089, 20S00595, 21S00047, and 22FB1103. These are all the State of Michigan versus Markeisha Roberts. Good morning.
Markeisha Roberts.
Okay, thank you very much. So today's the date set for a review of payment in these matters. And the last time you were in front of me, your balance was $546.06, and it has gone down. It is now $496.06. So thank you. You're chipping away. You're making progress. That's all I ask for. So let me take a look. All right. So I am going to give you a printout with your balance on it. Okay. And because you've been making steady progress the past couple times that I've seen you, I'm going to waive the late fees. So that takes it down to $401.06.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And I'm going to set you for a follow-up date, September 29th. If the balance has still gone down at the next court date, then that'll be your last one. At that point, I'll just have your collections or our collections person check in with you. Okay, so I will make a note of that. But once you get your notice of hearing and your printout, there's a note on there. So when you get this, once you leave here, take that over to the traffic criminal window. They can take the late fees off for you today.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right. And again, that was September 29th, and that will be at 9 a.m. back here in front of me. Okay. All right. If you don't have any questions, once you get your paperwork, you're good to go.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Now calling 23W004345A. This is the Township of Ypsilanti versus Tierra Brewington.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. State your name, please.
Tiara Brewington.
Okay, thank you. So today's the date set for a review of payment in this matter, and I do see that your balance has gone down since the last time that I saw you. You made a payment this morning, so thank you for doing that. Okay. I am going to set you for a follow-up date. We'll say September 29th as well. Okay, so if the balance continues to go down, you'll continue to be in good shape. Okay, so, and again, since you've been making steady progress the past couple times you've come to see me, at the next court date, that may be your last one. I may just have the collections person check in with you after that. Okay.
Thank you.
And I'll look at waiving the late fee at the next one.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you. And you've got your receipt, correct?
Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank
See you
you.
then.
Yes, thanks. All right. Now calling case number 03W154570R. This is the Township of Ypsilanti versus Javette Starks.
Getting a little bit better. Good morning.
Good morning. Would it be easier?
Javette Starks.
Oh, thank you. I was just going to ask if it would be easier for you to sit at the table.
Oh, no.
Okay.
I spent a little time in the hospital and they gave me some antibiotics and I'm doing good now.
Okay, good. Glad to hear it. We're here for a review of payment, and I do see that you have made at least one payment since the last time I saw you, so thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so you're making good progress. How's the housing situation? Has that stabilized?
No.
Okay. Did I give you the printout with some of the resources like for Hawk and things last time?
You did, and it rained and my bag got wet. So
Well, we can give you another one.
thank you. I appreciate it.
David, thank you. Can you look in there? There's the landlord tenant advice of rights form that has the resources on the back of it. Okay. So I'm going to set you for a follow-up date, September 29th.
Okay.
Okay. So just keep making progress.
I sure will.
But what, I'd really like to see your housing situation stabilize, as I'm sure you would too.
It's getting ready to get cold, so I can't be
Yeah.
flopping.
So, no, we're going to give you a new, one of those papers like we
Okay.
gave you last time. Okay.
Thank you so much.
And we'll go from there. But
All right.
we'll check in September and see where you're at.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, sweetheart. You have a blessed day.
Okay. Thank you. You too. All right. Now calling case numbers 21W003486B and C. These are the Township of Ypsilanti versus Martin Graham. Hello, Mr. Graham.
How you doing?
Doing okay. Got a letter for community service for me?
No, I didn't do no community service, but it was a turn of events. So I want to try to start making payments, and I had some family issues. Somebody got sick and then they passed away. So
Sorry.
here go the paperwork on that if you want to see it or not.
I'll take a look if you want me to, but I'll take your word for it too.
Okay.
Can I have you state your name for the record? I'm sorry.
Martin Graham.
Okay, thank you. So my condolences on your loss.
Okay.
All right. So if you're able to start making payments, obviously that would be good. You were also approved for community service the last time you were here. So if you're able to do some of that, that would also be good.
Okay.
Did you need a new copy of the community service letter that I gave you last time?
No, I got it. Still.
You got it. Okay. All right. So I'm going to give you that September 29th date. I would like to see either some sort of movement with the balance or some sort of movement with the community service before
Okay.
that next court date.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Any questions?
No questions.
Okay. So September 29th. Okay. We'll give you a notice in just a minute. Did you need a printout with your balance on it?
No, thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Right.
Now calling case numbers 18W000387, 18W002913, 18W006663, 21W001061, and 23W001151. These are the Township of Ypsilanti versus Tyrone Williams.
Tyrone Williams.
Okay, thank you. Good morning. So we are here for a review of payment. The last time that you were in front of me on June 30th, your balance was 1905 and it still is. So,
Start a new job at the end of the month. That's when I can start making payments. After that, that's like a couple weeks.
okay. Okay. You start a new job at the end of this month, you said.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'm going to have you come back September 8th.
Okay.
Be able to make a payment between now and September 8th?
Yes.
Okay. So. All right. So that'll be September 8th at 9 a.m. back here in front of me. Okay, and I do want to see some sort of progress on the balance, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank
And everybody here checked in at the counter, right?
I didn't.
You didn't?
No.
Okay, go out those doors and check in at the traffic criminal window. Okay? All right. And ma'am, did you check in?
Didn't. But
Oh, okay. Now calling case number 24S00205. This is the people of the state of Michigan versus Nyasha Jackson. Ms. Jackson, you're signed in on 2 devices. Can you please pick one, unmute, and state your name? Right. If you are
How do you
staying
do
in-
this?
Oh, there, you did it. Can you hear me? Ms.
Yes,
Jackson?
ma'am. I'm trying to. Yes, ma'am. I'm trying
Okay. You don't have this running on another device in the
Okay.
background, do you?
Is it working now?
Seems to be. Can you state your name for me?
Due to my cell phone being Nyasha Jackson.
All right. So today is the date set for an arraignment in this matter. This is a misdemeanor complaint charging that on about May 9th of 2024 at 803 North Redwood Avenue, you did knowingly and intentionally publicly display more than 4 sequential digits of the social security number of another individual. That is otherwise known as a violation of the Social Security Number Privacy Act. Do you understand what you are being charged with?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's a misdemeanor with a maximum potential penalty of up to 93 days in jail, a $1,000 fine plus court costs, or both the jail time and the fine. Do you understand all of that?
Yes.
Okay, so you do have the right to remain silent. Anything that you say out loud or in writing can be used against you in court. You have the right to be presumed innocent beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to a trial by judge or by jury. You have the right to be represented by an attorney during all stages of these court proceedings, that is before, during, and after trial. You are not required to disclose citizenship status to the court. You do have the right to consult with an attorney to see if this case would have any effect on your citizenship status. If that part doesn't apply to you, then don't worry about it. Do you have any questions about your rights?
No.
Okay. And we do have public defenders here who can represent you at least for the purposes of this arraignment. So, Attorney White?
Assistant Public Defender Sandra White on behalf of Nyasha Jackson. As to the charge, we stand mute, and we ask for a PR bond due to Ms. Jackson's appearance here today.
Okay. All right, so Ms. Jackson. The court is going to give you a pretrial date. That will be September 15th. So September 15th, 9 in the morning. That will be in person at the 14B District Court in courtroom number 1. The court will set bond with the following conditions. You are not to use or possess alcohol, marijuana, or illegal drugs. You are not to leave the state of Michigan without the court's permission. You are not to have contact with Christopher Morgan. When the court says no contact, what the court means is no in-person contact, no contact through the mail, no contact over the computer or phone, via phone calls, text messages, email, social media, the internet in any way, shape, or form, or through third parties. You are not to go to the Redwood Avenue address. When the court says do not go, the court does not care. If you own a place, rent a place, or are personally invited to go to a place, do not go. You are not to engage in any sort of criminal activity whatsoever. You are to appear for any and all dates set for you by the court, the next one in this matter being that September 15th pretrial. Do you understand all of these conditions?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have questions about any of them?
Yes, I have a PPO against the same person that you're speaking on. So I don't understand. I understand. I'm sorry. I just didn't understand the whole situation just because I do have a PPO on the person.
Okay. So then you already shouldn't be having contact with him. And then I do understand that this charge dates back to 2024. All
Yes.
right. You're going to have a conversation with the public defender. But presumably you're not having contact with this person anyway, so don't start now.
Okay.
Okay. All right. And I will make a note of that. Okay. Also, because this is a misdemeanor charge with a potential penalty of more than 92 days in jail, you will be required to have your fingerprints taken. So you will have a fingerprint order mailed to your address with
Okay.
instructions on how to get that done. All right. At this time, the court will set a $5,000 personal recognizance bond. So you're not required to post anything. Basically, you are promising to appear for your next court date and to abide by all of the bond conditions. If you fail to appear or violate any bond conditions, a bench warrant may issue for your arrest. Your bond could be revoked entirely. At a minimum, it would start at $5,000. I will also note that the conditions will be entered into the Law Enforcement Information Network. They will be readily accessible to any police officers that you may come into contact with. And if they have probable cause to believe that you violated one of those conditions, they can arrest you on the spot, and you'll be held for a bond violation hearing in front of a judge who may revoke your bond and set a new, more restrictive one. And were you aware that you've got 2 bench warrants out of the 35th District Court?
No, honestly, Judge, I didn't even know about this one. I had a traffic situation with tickets. I missed the payment due to me having my son, and then I had it situated that out, and we have that situated. But on the phone with the court office, they let me know about this one. So this is how I knew about this situation.
All right. So a couple of things. One, I will note that the bench warrant had issued back in 2024. It has been recalled because of your appearance today. All right. So the bench warrant for 14B is going away. But you've got 2 from the 35th District Court. They both say criminal bench for probation violation. So you should check what's going on with that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And that was the 35th?
Yes. Canton. Okay.
All
And
right.
then I'm also showing your license as suspended.
Yes,
And it looks
ma'am.
like, okay, so that's a ticket out of Ann Arbor that's got you suspended.
Yes, ma'am. And that's the one that I'm paying on currently.
Okay, all right. So what I am going to do is send you an invitation to go into a breakout room so that you can talk to the public defender. All right?
Alrighty, sounds good.
Okay. When you're done speaking with her in the breakout room, you'll be free to hang up.
Alrighty, thank you.
You are very welcome.
Good morning. Tyrone Davis.
Morning. Thank you. So today's the date set for a review of payment in this matter. When I saw you on June 9th, your balance was $345 and it has since gone down to $295. So thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you able to continue making payments on this?
Yes, I need to be scheduled a little bit more time.
Okay. How much time do you think you need?
To next month.
Okay. All right.
And I'll have it paid off full this time, guaranteed.
Okay. So you think if I give you the September 29th date, you'll have it paid in full by then?
September 29th. Yes.
Okay. So I will set you for a follow-up date on September 29th. If the balance is paid in full before that date, that hearing will be canceled and you won't have to come.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
It's August, right?
Yes. Yeah. Today it's really early August. It's August 4th.
All right. And you're giving me to next month to pay it off?
Yes.
All
So you have the rest of August and
Yeah, I might
almost
have
all
it paid
of
off before, but it was September for sure.
Okay. Sounds good.
All
So
right.
we'll give you a notice with that court date on it. And like I said, if it's paid off before that next court date, then you don't have to come.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Here, give me a minute, David. Just let me write some.
You all know how your day been going?
It's been going so far.
Oh, yeah.
Could be worse.
Yeah, I hear you.
Yes.
Mine's been going pretty good so far too.
Okay. Good.
How your day been going, sir? That's good. Yeah. I like the microphone. I know my voice is that deep.
Nice. Yeah, they're new microphones. So.
All right, thank you. I appreciate it, boss.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, y'all.
Doing a good job and keep up the because these young folks got to learn they have to be held accountable for what they do in this world.
Okay. Well, thank you, ma'am.
Man, ain't no limit to them either. Enjoy the rest of y'all day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. All right. Now calling case numbers 20W003204R and 21W001284. These are the Township of Ypsilanti versus Gracia Cheatham. Ms. Cheatham, can you please unmute and state your name?
Gracia Cheatham.
Okay, thank you. And so, Ms. Cheatham, we're here for a review of payment. The past couple times I've seen you, your balance has been $406 and it still is.
Yeah, I had a couple of financial issues going on last month, but I know at the end of this month, I should have something.
Okay. So what I will do is give you one more date in front of me.
Okay.
So that'll be September 1st.
Okay.
And I would like to see some sort of change in the balance between now and September 1st.
Okay.
If it's still the same 406 on September 1st, then your hearing date after that will be a contempt hearing in front of the judge.
Okay.
All right. So, and I'm just looking for it to start moving in the right direction, okay?
Right. Okay.
Okay. All right. So again, that's September 1st. That'll be at 9 a.m. Do you have
Okay.
any questions?
No.
Okay. Then you've got your next date. You are free to hang up.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. So I do not have any 10 o'clocks on today's docket. And I only have one in custody that needs to be sworn out. So the court will now call cases where defendants failed to appear. These defendants should reach out to the 14B District Court as soon as possible because bench warrants may issue for their failures to appear if they have not already issued. 17W009535, 17W009137B and C, Kenneth Bailey. 21S00425, Paris Bryant. 24S4444368, 23W002303R, Demario Cunningham. 24FB1268, Eli Green. 16T00416, Michelle Harrison. 22W002231, Deschardonnay Sanders. 21FB1657, Gregory Sistrunk. 22T00121, 26W001481A and B, David Courtney Smith, and 21S00314, Kevin Williams. So once again, these are all defendants who failed to appear for their court dates today. Bench warrants may issue for their arrests if they have not already issued. And I will note that we are setting people for contempt hearings in front of Judge Washington after they failed to appear for one review of payment date now.